If your lawn is looking patchy or uneven due to dried up grass, it might be time to give it a fresh start with a quality dethatcher. These lawn dethatchers make it easy to remove built-up thatch, improve soil health, promote lush, green growth, and give your yard a picture-perfect look. But with so many lawn dethatchers on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best lawn dethatchers. Whether you're looking for the most budget-friendly lawn dethatchers, the most easy to use, or the most compact lawn dethatchers, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Lawn Master Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. With its 13-amp motor and a 16-inch cutting width, this machine makes it easy to breathe life back into your grass. Whether you're dealing with thatch buildup or compacted soil, it's got the power and tools to handle it. This dethatcher comes with a dual-function system. You can switch between dethatching and scarifying with a quick adjustment. The dethatching feature clears out dead grass, leaves, and debris that block your lawn from getting the air and nutrients it needs. Meanwhile, the scarifier digs a little deeper to break up compacted soil and help your grass roots grow stronger and healthier. The 12-gallon collection bag saves you from a ton of cleanup by catching all the debris as you go. No more raking up piles of thatch after the job's done. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, so you won't feel like you're wrestling with a machine while working on your lawn. With an adjustable working depth and foldable handles, it's customizable and easy to store when you're done. However, since it's electric, you'll need access to a power outlet and may need an extension cord for bigger yards, which can limit mobility compared to gas-powered options. It's also best suited for smaller to medium-sized lawns. So if you have a very large yard, it might take more time to cover the whole area. Overall, the Lawn Master Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is an excellent tool for homeowners looking to keep their lawns healthy and vibrant without a ton of hassle. Number 5 is the Sun Joe Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier. This is the easiest to use lawn dethatcher on our list. With a powerful 13-amp motor, this tool is built to handle tough jobs like clearing out dead grass and loosening compacted soil. It's perfect if you want to give your lawn a fresh, healthy look without spending hours doing it manually. It has a 13-inch working width, which means you can cover more ground in less time. Plus, it has 5 adjustable depth settings, so you can customize how deep it works based on what your lawn needs, whether it's a light cleanup or a deeper scarifying job to help grass roots grow stronger. The included 13.2-gallon collection bag is very convenient. It catches all the debris as you go, so you don't have to rake up piles of thatch afterward. And since the bag is removable, emptying it is quick and easy. Plus, it's electric, so there's no gas, oil, or maintenance hassle. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. The lightweight design and sturdy wheels make it easy to maneuver around your yard, even in tight spots. With its sleek black and green look and user-friendly features, the Sun Joe Dethatcher and Scarifier is perfect for anyone who wants a healthy, lush lawn without too much effort. It's powerful, efficient, and a great addition to your lawn care tools. Overall, the Sun Joe Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is an excellent option for anyone looking to keep their lawn healthy and beautiful without breaking a sweat. Number 4 is the AgriFab Toby Hind Lawn Dethatcher. This one is best for large lawns on our list. This lawn dethatcher is designed to work with your lawn or garden tractor and makes it easy to remove thatch buildup and keep your grass healthy and vibrant. With a wide 48-inch working width, it covers a lot of ground quickly, saving you time and effort. It's equipped with 24 durable spring steel tines that dig into your lawn to lift up thatch, debris, and matted grass. These tines are heat-treated for extra strength, so they're built to last even with heavy use. The dethatcher comes with a weight tray that can hold up to 70 pounds. This adds pressure for deeper dethatching, making it more effective for tough jobs. It also has 7-inch semi-pneumatic wheels, so it rolls smoothly over uneven terrain without a problem. Hooking it up to your tractor is simple, thanks to the universal hitch, which works with most lawn tractors. Plus, the tines have a transport handle, so you can raise them easily when moving across driveways or areas you don't want to dethatch. If you have a large lawn and want to keep it lush and healthy, the AgriFab Tow-Behind Dethatcher is a smart and durable choice. It's efficient, easy to use, and a must-have for anyone serious about lawn care. However, the weight tray means you'll need to find suitable weights for optimal performance, which isn't included with the Dethatcher. Overall, the AgriFab Tow-Behind Lawn Dethatcher is an excellent choice for homeowners with large yards and access to a lawn tractor. And if you want to know the latest prices for the lawn dethatchers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Works Electric Dethatcher. This is the most compact dethatcher on our list. With its 12-amp motor and 14-inch working width, this dethatcher is perfect for tackling small to medium-sized yards and removing built-up thatch that's choking your grass, eventually helping your lawn breathe better, absorb nutrients, and grow lush and green. It also features 3 adjustable depth settings. Whether your lawn needs a light cleanup or a deeper dethatching, you can easily switch to the right depth for the job. The stainless steel tines are durable and designed to pull up dead grass and debris efficiently, saving you tons of time compared to raking by hand. Plus, its lightweight design and foldable handle make it easy to push, maneuver, and store when you're done. The included collection bag catches the debris as you work, so cleanup is quick and hassle-free. Just empty the bag and you're good to go. Since it's electric, there's no messing around with gas, oil, or fumes. Just plug it in and you're ready to roll. The corded design ensures consistent power, but you'll need an extension cord for bigger yards. Overall, the Works Electric Dethatcher is a great choice for homeowners with small to medium-sized lawns who want an easy way to keep their grass healthy and vibrant. Number 2 is the Von Haus Electric Lawn Dethatcher, Scarifier, and Aerator. This is the best value lawn dethatcher on our list. With its 2-in-1 design, it can dethatch and aerate, giving your grass the boost it needs to grow thicker and healthier. It's powered by a 12.5-amp motor and has a 15-inch working width, so it's great for small to medium-sized yards. It features 5 adjustable working depths. Whether you need a light dethatching job or a deeper scarifying pass to break up compacted soil, you can adjust it to match your lawn's needs. The interchangeable rollers make switching between dethatching and aerating simple, so you're ready for whatever your yard requires. The 45-liter collection bag is a lifesaver. It catches all the thatch, dead grass, and debris as you work, which means less cleanup for you afterward. And since it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, you won't feel like you're pushing around a heavy machine. And because it's electric, there's no need for gas or oil, making it low maintenance and eco-friendly. Just plug it in and get to work. The foldable handle also makes it easy to store when you're done. If you want a tool that can handle multiple lawn care tasks while being easy to use, the Von Haus 2-in-1 Dethatcher and Scarifier is a solid choice. It's reliable and efficient, and will help you keep your lawn looking fresh and green. Number 1 is the Greenworks Dethatcher and Scarifier. This is the best overall option on our list. This lawn dethatcher is perfect for small to medium-sized yards and offers 2 functions in one: dethatching and scarifying. This means you can clear out dead grass and debris while also improving soil aeration, giving your lawn the boost it needs to grow stronger and healthier. With a 40-volt battery, this tool runs without the hassle of cords or gas, making it eco-friendly and easy to use. It's lightweight, so you won't get worn out pushing it around. And the adjustable depth settings let you choose how deep you want to go based on your lawn's needs. Whether you're doing a light cleanup or tackling tougher thatch, it's easy to switch between settings for the right job. The 14-inch working width lets you cover a good amount of ground, and the removable collection bag catches all the debris as you work, saving you from extra cleanup afterward. Plus, the handle is foldable, so storing the tool is a breeze. Overall, if you're looking for a simple, cordless dethatcher and scarifier to keep your lawn healthy without a ton of maintenance, the Greenworks is a great choice. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect lawn dethatcher much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.